And if his king comes here, only square, bang, the Bobby Fischer Queen check, bro. Their rating, you can't see it on the screen, their rating was 790. They're at the beginning of their chess journey. That is a follower and supporter of the stream, and that's why I took his game first. E4, C5, and this is William, man. William's in the pool. Is it? Oh no, this is one of our viewers, but it's not the streamer who I thought it was the last time, I think. Good game. This guy just moves, man. Delaying my king side. Delaying my king side, guys. This is not good. Thank you for the like, Ryan. Okay. Now, I think I need to... Well, he's not coming in. He's not coming in. Everything is okay. So I will play knight f6. Because now on e5, I just take for free. Excuse me, I need water. This guy playing blitz on rapid settings, LOL. He is, but you know, I'm playing about his tempo. I should slow down a little bit and try and maybe gain an advantage, right? If he's playing so quick. It's 1700, man. This guy's no joke. This guy is no joke. So if he likes to play fast in the opening, he's very familiar with the position. A lot of them are book moves. He's memorized, which is a compliment, not a it's not derogatory. Gary Robertson is liked. Thank you, Gary, for the like, man. Okay, castles. I'm gonna play bishop e7. Because I have to. Don't let him dictate the tempo. Well, you know what? I'm playing black. When you're playing black, white has the first move. So you can't just take control of the tempo. You can't just take control of the tempo. Once I play e5, I will play queen c7 to stop it. And then I will play... Well, he wants to play f5 too. Okay, but I can just... Again, I'll castle. So you can't just... you can't just take over the control of the game. Okay, that gives me a move. Oh, because I attacked his... I didn't even see it. Okay. Do I castle, or do I play... or do I attack the e-pawn? Oh, man. I'm gonna castle. Jonathan Norton says, cool, never seen live stream chess. Well, welcome to the stream, man. We do this every day. This is an early stream. I'm doing 2 streams today. We usually stream closer to... I start to stream between like 4:30 and 6 every day, ish. There's a lot of ishes involved. Remember Ish from Kingpin, Ishmael? And I'm gonna be doing that stream later. Once I get ready for my gig, I'm playing music later. Okay, it's a real move. Which one of these knights? They can't really come. I think I might play this move. Is that a move? I have to develop, I have to develop, I have to develop, I have to develop, I have to develop. I'll do it. Attack, he says. Central time. Central time. The streams start. See, I'm still on my day. I still have a day job right now, and I'm going to, but I have dedicated the month of June, and I'm going to make a schedule, and I'm going to do everything. It's going to be pretty solid, guys. I'll warn you when it's not going to be solid, but I'll probably go live like every day at 4:30. Stream like 4:30 to 7 every day or something. Monday through Friday-ish. I say ish because I play music, and music gets a little bit random. I have my music, my gig book. I refer to it. It's funny, I was telling you guys earlier in the week, I don't even know where I'm playing music this weekend. And I didn't know till yesterday I finally looked at my book. Because it doesn't matter. I know I got music coming. Stu says, gotta get ready for work. Have a great stream, and thanks to all for the convo. Yeah, man. Yeah, sure do. And life's fluid. A lot of issues is what Jonathan Norton says. Yeah, absolutely, man. Especially when you have commitments. Okay, it's a move. And I'm going to... Now, you know what I can do? I can win E4 pawn. But this is ISO, man. Where does my queen go? Could attack the knight. Not exactly perfectly 1000% the best position for me. The guy played a nice sacrifice. I'm gonna chill out and look at it. This is what I do when I'm moving too fast. I come to you guys. Jesse Adlese, thank you for the follow, man. Follow. Levi Quiquiles, thank you for the share, Levi. I appreciate you, man. And thank you for the like. Gianfranco Crucuzzola. Ciao, Gianfranco. Alex Robinson, thanks for the like. And Gary Robinson, is that random? I mean, Robinson's not as rare of a name as Crucuzzola, but there's two Robinsons in a row, man. John Bailey says, I've started playing the center D4, E4. If I'm white, he's been watching a lot of stuff on chess. Yeah, man, that's how you get good at chess, is by watching, man. Okay, my chill bot needs to get a few of these things separated, right? Okay, now, I can leave this here and it's under attack. I think this is the move. Is it that strong? You always have to remember, your opponent doesn't always have to take back. Adam Birdman, Wobaking. Adam Birdman Wobaking. I'm guessing Birdman is a moniker because you're bird watcher or something like that, or is that your real name? Austin Neeland. Some of you guys are new, man. I've never seen Birdman before. Derek Claude, thank you for the like. Welcome back. Jonathan Norton. Okay, those are old. Austin Neeland, I think, is new too. Evening from South Africa, says Chu Molepo. Good evening from South Africa, man. Thank you for checking in from South Africa. Hugo Arazo, thank you for the like. See? He could double knight sack, I guess. Or he may have this move, guys. He may have this move after. Jonathan Blanc, thank you for the like. And Dustin Hennon, thank you for the like. And Christopher Talbot drops 20 stars. Thank you, Christopher, for supporting the stream. He could be a huge Michael Keaton fan. Is that a movie? Adam Birdman says, Birdman is my nickname. First time liking the stream, but been watching for a week now and enjoying the chill vibe. Thank you, man. Thank you, Adam. Welcome, dude. And thanks for chiming in and saying hello. I did a little lurker thing the other day because, you know, there's a thing in streams they call lurkers, okay? There are people that have probably watched my stream 20 times, never said a word. Maybe sometimes didn't even like or anything, and that's okay. Dude, I want people, I'm here to spread the chest. Jesse Aldese, thank you for the 100, man. Thank you for the 100. And so I don't really like the term lurkers because it's like they're lurking. No, they're not. But that's the term, lurkers. They just hang out. And I was like, hey, man, if you're a lurker, say something. Say hi. And like all these people came out and was like, hey, man, I never comment, but it was cool. So, hey, if you're lurking, man, surprise us. Surprise us. Lynn and Will, thank you for the like. Knight D5 is a move for him. Knight D5. I'll play bishop takes, and then I will develop my knight. His knight's on a pretty good square. It might be. We just traded e-pawns is all we did, but he left me with the ISO, man. The vibe here is unmatched, says Austin. Austin, that is kind. Those are kind words. Okay. Oh, he will forky. He will forky. Bishop hits this and this. So now I need to do something. Adam Birdman drops 100 stars and says, I'm called Birdman because I made bird noises when I was drunk one night over 10 years ago. Wow, man. Wouldn't let you live that one down, huh? That's great, though. That's a cool name, man. It sounds like you got some good friends. Yeah, he did, Adrian. He did. And I got to find the right reply. AJ Collins says, hello from Canada. Love the streams. Always makes me play around after watching. Yeah, no kidding, man. So, yeah, okay, I'm going to stop looking at chat for a second because you guys are saying a lot of moves, and it doesn't bother me that you do. But William24 is a worthy opponent. He deserves respect, and he deserves for me to find the move. But, just so you know, Bishop, I take a piece, he takes a piece, I block with a knight, and he takes my knight for free. And then I'm losing. Right? Therefore, oh wait, how does that work? I take a piece. He takes a piece. I block, he takes a piece. How would that... The pieces I'm counting... Oh, yeah. No, I'll have 2 pieces, he'll have 3. Yeah. No, I'm not looking at chat again. Not looking at chat. I just want to show why it didn't work. Ethan Parker, thank you for the follow, man. Appreciate you. Lurking from a bar in the Caribbean, says Peter Bauer. Awesome, dude. Now, I bet we all wish we were there with you in the bar in the Caribbean. That's like some real wish I was there kind of stuff. You know what I'm saying? Might have to keep an eye on this. What if I play back? Doesn't his bishop have to move? Well, you could play knight takes bishop. I think this is my only reasonable move. So I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. I looked at coming out here, guys, but you know what? There's moves like B4. Run up into the... I can't even run into the danger zone. If I run here, there's moves like check. I don't think my queen had any business going out there with all these pieces. Gig, how you doing, man? Joe McCune, thank you for the like. I like the midday streams, man. It's a lot of the yokels, and we get a few new faces, man. People that maybe are online at a different time. You know what I'm saying? I think what I'm gonna do in the month of June, I'm gonna do a morning stream because there are people in other countries that are sleeping right now, other parts of the world. How cool would that be to open up to a whole new market of people who are awake at a different time? I don't think I get Italians. I want Italians, man. I want Italians because I want them to speak to me in Italian. I want to practice. Good, man. Gig says good here. I hope all is well. Yeah, man. Everything is perfect here. I am excited. Although I do need to take a leak, and I should do it before I run out of time. Stu Canless says, yep, that's how I always mess up. I'll watch for that now. Good, man. That's what we got to do. I'm going to take a leak. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Bio 1 min. He hasn't moved yet. I'm taking this with me. He hasn't moved yet, and that's good. Looks like a game of slow chess. Yeah, man. Thank you guys, man. Sky TN is liked and followed. Sky, thank you for the follow, man. Michael Marshall is liked. Don Kraus. Michael Marshall followed too. Thank you guys for the follows, man. We have a goal today. Okay, now he is double attacking. And I can defend it while I develop. Or I can just take one, and then he will be on me. Okay, this is a very interesting position. The chair, man. That break will help me concentrate. Well, I'll tell you, as much as I had to relieve myself, if you will. This might be good, because after he takes and I move my king, the other knight is still going to be attacked, right? Does this lose, guys? Jonathan Thrasher drops 100 stars for the chair. For the chair. See? Now this is attacked. That was forced. I say forced because I'm not losing my queen. Well, yeah, I'm not losing my queen for a friggin' 2 nights, man, or 1 night. Not doing it. Not doing it. I'll lose over the board first before I give up the queen. Now he's in trouble. Maybe the best move is sacking this knight with check. I will take on the knight. He will not have a queen check. I think he's losing, guys. I don't know though. How can I become a supporter and send stars? Michael, that's a great question. Supporter, there's a supporter badge. It's a little badge. If you look at Jonathan Thrasher's last message with 100, you'll see a little badge. It's got a little heart on it. It almost looks like a sergeant badge. It's straight across, comes straight down, and then it's pointed at the bottom. Like the stripes on a sergeant's thing or something. It's the only way I can describe it, but it's like bluish green blue. It's a supporter button. It's on your screen. You click that, you can become a supporter. To buy stars, guys, how do you guys buy stars? Someone tell them how to buy stars. Are you on mobile or on, if you're on a computer, I would just Google how to buy stars. Or in Facebook, search for buy stars, help buy stars, something. Once you do it, it's going to be easy. Good player here. Yeah, it was good to take my bishop. Oh, hit the star icon like you want to donate stars, and then it will lead you to buy them. There you go, Kyle. Thank you. And the supporter button is, see the little badge by Kyle's name right here, supporter. It's shaped like that, but it's like, what color is it, guys? Blue or something? It's a, you know what I need to do? I need to get a graphic of the supporter button, because people have asked me that before. Okay. Threatening knight. Check. Winning exchange. John Bailey gives me 50 stars. Thank you, John. I think I take with the rook, because the knight check, I just come back. And then I'm threatening the knight. Oh no, but if I take with the rook, he takes with the okay, so that's 2 for the piece. For the rook, right? On rook takes. And it's going to be the same thing if pawn takes. Check. King over takes, queen takes. and I think everything is holding. What is the better way to do it? Well, these pawns will be doubled if I take... No, they won't. I love the way my knight is defended, though, guys. Okay, we're 2 minutes up on time. I'm going to analyze this. Joe Mart, thanks for the like. John Bailey, again, thanks for the 50, man. Amadevi Matadine, thank you for the like. Thor is back. Thor Bonner, thank you for being here, man. Yeah, those connected knights again, man. I'm not real scared of them. I think I play a rook takes. Oh no! Pawn takes, and he has queen takes, and he wins a pawn. So they get play pawn takes. I just win a piece. And this way I think I get more things hold. Yeah, that's what I did, man. I had to. I'm up late. This is early. Oh, you're asking someone else. Replying to Jomar. Yeah, good morning. 3:22 a.m. says Jomar. That's early, man. Oh, I missed that comment, man. Jomar says, "What's up? Good morning. 3:22 a.m. here in Cebu, Philippines." Did I say that right? Thanks for showing up, dude. You're up late, man. Thor Bonner says, "Hey, Charlie. Always good to see you play, man." Thank you, Thor. Thanks for being here, man. Rook F6 was an idea, but I'm winning material. And so I got to win material. Did the gentleman that wanted to know... Oh, okay, Kyle says the supporter button disappears once you're a supporter, so I forgot what color it is, LOL. Billy Gilmer says it's better to buy stars on a computer. If you do it on the phone, Facebook gets 60% of it. Chris Bryan says, yeah, I think it's blue, but it's gone from me since I'm a supporter. You got to be in the app, though. I know when you're in the app, it's there. But you know what? Watch this, man. Why am I not doing this instantly, guys? Why am I not doing this instantly? Let me go here. And I'm just going to... Watch this. I know how to find it. Okay. Then we analyze this, right? And this way I hold the pawn. He gets a pawn. I will take the development. And then I will take knight f6 on the queen. And I am up wood. Okay. Watch this. Wait for it. Oh, wait. Let me go to my left. I'm going to get you a link. Man. Donde está link? I know it's here, guys. I know it's here. Okay, let me go back. Let me go to, let me go back one more. Okay, I'm gonna open a new window. Yeah, that's a good square for the bishop. I'm gonna hit the queen. I'm gonna take with the queen. Okay, I'm gonna get you a link to be a supporter. As a matter of fact, might be able to do it like this. I'm so clueless. Watch this. Links. It should be in here. And he gets a pawn. Okay. Totally blundering the pawn. This is not protected. Is there a way we can... Do I want the queens off? I think I do. Because I don't want him to get anything exciting happening in his life. Okay. So, Chillers, Instagram. So, I don't have a link to supporters in there. That sucks. I think I have it here. I think I have it here. I have it right here. It's not there. Dude. Got it though. It's gonna take me a second to get to the right spot. Pages, Charly Sardo Gaming. It's his move. We're still up on time. I think we're doing okay. We're up on material. We have to keep our pieces active because that's what we have, right? We have pieces and subscriptions. I'm going to my fan subscription page. He plays back, and I will just then just take. And he messes his pawns up. That was a mistake, I think. Okay, I'm looking at here, and I don't see the here. Let me look here. Wait, we have subscriptions. I cannot believe.
Hello Charlie, hope you're having a great day. I got your messenger.
Jessica Bloof says, hello Charlie, I hope you're having a great day. I got your messenger. Cool. We'll talk in messenger, Jessica. Now, like, the rook doesn't have a lot of life on this file. Okay? Am I right or am I right? Am I right? So I think Rook C1. Oh, okay, then I can take and win a pawn. So I guess I will play a Rook C1 for now. Alros is good for you, man. I think being a father is the best thing to happen for me. My daughter's 15 and 17 now, but when I need a break, I come chill and watch chess. This stream is perfect for chilling out. Yeah, man. You sent the link above, Josh. Thank you. I can't believe. There we go. Support Charly Sardo. That's the link. My goodness. I see. If takes, then he pins. Oh no, but it's protected. Oh no! No, he plays this way. What am I thought I was winning a pawn, guys. Now I'm freaking losing again. He's like, what did he just do? What did he just do? Why would he do that? Oh my god, I just gave him a freaking knight. Now I'm down in exchange. 1, 2, now we have draw assessment. 3, 4, 5 to 4. These are doubled. All the pawns suck. That probably wasn't a bad move. Hitting. He has a rook check that doesn't work. Thank goodness. Guys, I just hung that knight for a pawn. Christopher Pace says, what's up, Charlie? Well, I'll tell you what's up. Charlie just screwed up, and now he's going to make a pass pawn. And I think I need to take a pawn when I can, because I am completely busted. Okay, we need to put some faith in a passer. And that doesn't help. I can play here. Hitting. Right? And then we will come to this square. Well, I don't even have to do that yet. Hit the rook. If he plays rook over, I think I need to play rook and attack this pawn. His rooks are going to come in. Guys, I'm losing. Christopher Pace says, don't worry, Charlie. Just start trash talking him. Yeah, right. Jessica gave me 235 stars. Jessica, thank you. I hope I mentioned that, but I was more concerned with your comment. Okay. Now. We want to start pushing this pawn. If we can. Time's even, guys. I can't believe I did that. Attack the pawn. He defends it. And that's probably not a bad move because he stops my passer. Bring the king because I have nothing else to do. Guys, I'm busted. I lost this game. Anthony Pfeiffer, you guys are replying to each other. I love that. I love the community. And thank you so much for finding that link for me. That's helping out, man. Stephen Tyler Knapp has followed. Thank you for the follow. And Raul Balin followed. Thank you. Brandon Ferris, thanks for the like. Chris Whitehead's like, man. Brandon Ferris followed too. Thank you. Thank you for all this, all the love, man. Now, we are on a way. I always set my follower goal low, okay? To achieve it on stream, right? But does he want to just sack? No, it doesn't work. Okay. I have a check. It does nothing. King F2. Rook over threatening the pawn. He just plays king up. It just improves his king. It just improves his king. I'm not improving his king. I'm not interested in improving his king. I'm interested in improving my king. Do I push this pawn or do I maintain the dark square control? I think I maintain, and I think I try and get my king up to where it can help. He just moved it. Steven Novak, thank you for the like and the follow, man. So where are we at? 3108 of 3200, man. We're at 97% on the follows. That's awesome. Hey, David, how you doing, man? David, I was just... Okay. I mean, I ain't gonna lie. Losing? Maybe. Way better than I was before? Yep. I was lost. Well, first off, I was winning, and then I sacked the knight for a pawn. I dropped the knight for a pawn. Right? He'll get one, I'll get two, so I'm cool with that idea. Do I take this one because he's past Sardo? Yes. Oh, but then he's gonna have a passer too, though. Oh. Well, I guess I'm taking it now. I dropped it by accident. Jessica, thank you for the 50. Yeah, and I lose this one. And my pawn, my rook is in front of my pawn. Okay, no, so now we just take this way. He has a passer. My king is more active. Defend the pawn, and then go after this monkey over here. He has a check, I'll push. Boy, you guys with the stars. Jessica dropping 50, 50, 50, and 50. Thank you. Yep, I see the check, but I can push. So I'm going to go ahead and take this. You can play king up and stop it. But then I can just move my rook. I can just check him. I don't know if I want his king in front of the rook. I think I'm drawing this at least, guys. Jason Newcomb, thank you. Jessica drops another 50, and another 100 stars. Thank you, Jessica. Right. Now I think I have to play this move, right? And now I can push his king. Jessica is dropping another 100. That was the 100. And Lois Kane, welcome, Lois. Yeah, I believe I am clearly better. Especially, I'm going to push his king back, so his king's out. My king is way more active. And I also may have options of getting behind the rook pawn. Cairo says, I like those stars are giving Charlie strength like Popeye's spinach. I am what I am. Yeah, he lost the thread of his win, guys. He thought sacking was a win, and it wasn't. It was it was just a mistake. We all make mistakes, right? Like me giving a knight for a pawn in a winning position. Thank you guys, man. Follows. I want to be sure I didn't miss anything else because you guys take care of me and you guys deserve to get your love. No, we're all the way back to the Birdman explaining. Okay. Plays rook. It's a move. I think I take space. No, this is the move. This is the move to escort. If he pushes, I push with check. Now, if I push with check, I trade rooks and I queen in 1, 2, 3, and he queens in 1, 2, 3. Okay, I have 4 minutes. I have to look. Jessica's dropping stars. 100 stars, 100 stars, 100 stars. Jessica with the hundreds. Thank you, Jessica. Okay. You don't want to look at chat. I just saw a bunch of yeses, which I think you're talking about this move. Now. Check. King. Check. King takes. Push. 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 He queens first? How is that? No. I get this wrong. Check. King takes. And then push. 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 Queen. Queen. And I have queen check. And his king can't come here because he loses the queen. And if his king comes here, only square, bang, the Bobby Fischer queen check, bro. Are we doing it? Are we doing the Bobby Fischer queen check? Doing the Bobby Fischer queen check, guys. It's the Bobby Fischer queen check, guys. Bang. You should have took the draw. Yeah, guys, did you guys see that? The Bobby Fischer searching for Bobby Fischer queen check. Poor little Russian guy. No, William is a very worthy opponent, man. William, thank you for the game, dude. That was really good.